Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be talking about one of the effective indicators for breakout trading. And to be specific, we are going to be looking at the Breakout Finder Indicator. All right, I'm going to add the indicator to the chart right now. The Breakout Finder Indicator. Okay, so you can see that this indicator helps to spot breakouts. Basically, this TradingView indicator is designed to help you catch breakouts before they happen. Okay, so that gives you an edge over the market. If you want to spot explosive moves before they happen, then keep watching. Now, breakout trading is one of the most effective strategies, but many traders struggle with false breakouts and late entries. Most indicators only confirm a breakout after it has already happened, causing traders to miss key opportunities. However, the breakout finder indicator changes the game by predicting breakouts ahead of time. Now, it doesn't mean that the breakouts always go as expected, but you will notice that the indicator actually does the job well. For example, here, it identified a sell breakout, but eventually, well, if we are going to be honest, the breakout it did exactly, it wasn't much. If you had entered a sell, the number of pips you would have caught would have been very small. And if you're not careful, you might have ended up losing, because before you know it, maybe you'll be thinking that it's going to go further downwards, but it started reversing. So that's just what it means to be an indicator, right? The indicator is not perfect. No indicator out there is perfect. So I'm just showing you an example that in as much as this indicator is effective in spotting breakout, sometimes the breakout do not play out as expected. Now, this was a bullish breakout, but this time around, the breakout actually played out well. And it seems as if there could be a continuation to the upside. So if you had entered this breakout, there might actually be, a rally to this particular resistance again. So if you had joined, after this signal was given, this would have been a good place to set your stop loss below the previous swing low, and then your take profit can actually be at this resistance zone. If you have a good risk to reward ratio, or probably you can even target the next resistance. Okay, so the breakout finder indicator uses advanced price action analysis to detect build-ups of market pressure before a breakout occurs. All right, it scans for key signals including tight consolidations before explosive moves, and increasing momentum, signaling an upcoming breakout. All right, and also breakout confirmation zones to reduce false signals. Okay, and you can see in addition to these, you know, breakout points, you're going to see an arrow telling you the direction. In addition to these zones, you're going to see an arrow telling you the direction, right? So this is telling you this is a buy direction, this telling you this is a sell direction, sell, buy, and all of that. Okay, so whenever you find the arrow appear, it will be a good time to enter a buy. If it's a blue arrow below the candlestick, but if it's a sell arrow above the candlestick, when you get the arrow signal, it's a time to sell. Okay, but just ensure you get a confirmation right before jumping into the trade. So instead of chasing breakouts after they've already moved, this indicator helps you to position yourself early and take advantage of high probability setups. Okay, So why should you add the Breakout Finder indicator to your trading setup? Let us just break it down quickly. One is to spot breakouts before they happen, keeping you ahead of the market. And then also, the indicator helps to reduce false breakouts, incidences of false breakouts, helping you to avoid unnecessary trades. All right. And then, interestingly, this indicator works on Forex, stocks, crypto, and indices, right? Making it highly versatile. And it can be used for scalping, day trading, and swing trading. Okay. It also pairs well with support and resistance for better trade confirmation. By using this tool, you can identify high probability breakout trades with better confidence and timing. Okay. Now, to get the best results from the Breakout Finder indicator, just follow these simple steps. One is to look for consolidation zones, right? For example, you can see that we had a consolidation zone around here, right? Although this kind of was like a wide consolidation, right? Anyways, we identify a consolidation zone. Well, you can see we kind of had a smaller consolidation around here, and then this breakout indicator gave us a signal before the breakout actually happened. And in this case, you can see we kind of had a small consolidation around here as well. So you have to identify a consolidation zone first, then you watch for breakout confirmation. Perhaps candlestick patterns, chart patterns, look out for a confirmation before entering your trade. Then you can actually decide to combine this indicator with other indicators to confirm strong momentum. And then ensure you always use your support and resistance zones. All right. Use your support and resistance zones, to validate your breakout points. Watch out for, price trying to breach, these important levels on your chart. Okay. When used correctly, this indicator can dramatically improve breakout trading strategies and help traders to stay one step ahead. If you are looking for a tool that identifies breakout opportunities before they happen, the Breakout Finder indicator is one of the indicators that you would want to consider adding to your trading toolkit. Okay, because it helps traders anticipate explosive moves instead of reacting late, making it a valuable addition to your trading toolkit. So if you found this video valuable, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more powerful trading insights. Drop a comment below if you've tried the Breakout Finder indicator or if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Stay disciplined, trade smart, and I'll see you in the next video.